subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get the latest tech updates from TechSole Blog.
Samsung is reportedly working on its upcoming smartphone called Galaxy M31S, and it is going to be the updated version of the Galaxy M31 smartphone that was launched in February this year. Recently, a new Samsung phone was spotted on GeekBench listing, which is believed to be Galaxy M31S smartphone. The listing reveals some key specifications of the upcoming Galaxy M31S smartphone. And according to the listing, the Galaxy M31S will come powered by Exynos 9611 chipset that will include Mali G72 MP3 GPU. The device will pack with 6GB of RAM and it will run on Android 10, which will be likely based on Samsung's One UI 2.0 skin on top. Additionally, the upcoming phone manages to score 347 in single-core test and 1256 in multi-core test. Apart from this, there is no other details of Galaxy M31S has leaked so far, and it remains to be seen what other tweaks Samsung is going to bring. So, as of now, that's all we know about the Galaxy M31S smartphone, and we'll come to know more detail about the phone in the coming days. Till then, stay tuned to TechSole Blog YouTube channel for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in our next video.